statistical error. Statistical error, you can say, is an error which is there due to the difference between the actual data or estimated data. You can say an statistical error is an error of difference between actual data and estimated data. This is known as statistical error, and that error is of two types. Statistical error is of two types. You can say it's a sampling error and non-sampling error. The error can be there of non-responses, the error can be there of incorrect responses. So the different errors can be there. We basically have classified it into two, that is sampling and non-sampling. Suppose the first error, the sampling error. This can be clear with an example. Let us take an example. I am choosing a sample. Okay, for my sample, see. Suppose I have taken the variable. Take any variable there. Height. Let's take the height as a variable. That is 50, 60. We will take the height of 5 people. Sorry, 55, 65 and 70. So we have chosen the height of 5 people here. If I'll make the total of this, I'll calculate the average, that is 60 centimeter, the average height of 5 people. Okay, now I will take another sample. The same heights are given to me. I'll choose few people as a sample here. Suppose I'll take the data, any particular data. I can take the value of 50 or I'll choose any two number, 60. Then I'll get the average 55 centimeter. Children, there is a difference. 60 centimeter, 55. So the error is here. 60 minus 55, 5. Now you can say, when I am choosing a sample, selection of my sample, selection of sample size. My selection of sample size is one of the reason of error. The error was there because I have selected the sample here. First I have taken more value, then I have taken less value. There is a difference. This has given statistical error. So this kind of error can be reduced. If I'll take large sample, the error can be reduced. The maximum number will be involved and the average will be good. Because selection of sample, if I'll say selection of sample size. If the large sample is taken, then we can reduce the error. The sampling error can be reduced by taking the large sample. Large number of samples should be included for conducting the research. Clear? Another type of error, non-sampling error. Non-sampling error is a error of data acquisition. The moment I am acquiring the data, the moment I am collecting the data, at that time the error can occur, and that can be a non-response. I didn't get the answers from many of the respondents. I can get incorrect response. Recording. The recording of data is done, and at that time, many a times we can say that we have recorded 450 out of 540 or 450, 440, or maybe that we have recorded something else instead of some other value. It may be while recording the data we have recorded the wrong value. You can say wrong values are recorded here. We applied the formula on wrong values, then we can get the answers. Non-responses, incorrect responses, recording errors. Once it happens, it is really difficult to go back and search where the error is and what you have done. And if the answer is not there, then also you cannot get that information. So in such a case, if non-sampling errors are there, these errors cannot get reduced, cannot get minimized. Or one more thing you can say, sampling bias. Suppose you are choosing a sample and you have become a little biased and prejudiced. So these errors cannot get reduced. This will always remain there. We cannot reduce them. On the other hand, sampling error can be reduced by taking the large sample. If the sample size is large, then the less chances of error is there, because many people are involved there. The average will be correct. We will get the benefit. Estimation will be fine and good enough for us if the samples are large. So sampling error can be reduced, but non-sampling error cannot be reduced. Many a times the question asked by the teachers is which error is serious and why. So the sampling error is not serious because it can be reduced by taking the large sample. It can be minimized. But non-sampling errors are the errors that are serious because they cannot get reduced or minimized by taking the large samples. Once it occurs, it will always remain there. Clear? Sampling, non-sampling errors.